And the glow, like if I move the camera where it is right now, it's crazy lighting, like, but it was just too much for me. You can see how bad this frontal is. It's legit disgusting. It's so disgusting if you see it. I would get my got to be good. So after those 5 minutes, I'm gonna take this off. See how the part is disgusting here? I'm gonna make it a side part. So I wanna part it from this side. And then brush all of this. Use like a brush like this to do that brushing so it's faster. Make sure your part, there's no tracks showing. And brush it back, you know? And really brush down. I do like the little, you know, style. Put the rest behind my ear here. And then now it's time to gel all the rest that I'm not using my Eco Style gel. I also have mousse, so I'm gonna spray the mousse. I only have a little left. Literally only a little left, but that's all you need. You're just gonna pat it down, baby. Pat it down so it can stay down. And then I make my comb part of what I want. Now I want this one to be, I want it kind of in a swoosh pattern, same as this one. Like swoosh, you just gotta go like that. And you just make sure that everything is gelled down as you would want it. What I do after that is I get a scarf, and I put it down, and I tie it around. I wanna not like have an indent on my face almost, so we again let it sit for 5 minutes. Here's my rope. Now I unravel. I need to go eat lunch. Ooh, and we're pressed down. I might just leave it like this actually. It's really honestly like very cute, like gel. This is how I bring back frontals. Like if my frontal's looking scary, this is always a go-to look for me. And until I like order a new one. Or I put it in a ponytail. Wrap this around the ponytail look just for cuteness. And this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to put more mousse just to secure it. More mousse that I don't have, of course. And on the pony, honestly. Okay, so that is how I get my side bun look. I really like this hairstyle today. Like, my frontal has been looking pretty scary and people have been looking at me like I look pretty scary. So I thought I had to look pretty normal. So this is the look. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Make sure you follow me on social media, my Insta and Snap specifically. Connect with y'all. All right, bye.